Welcome to a quick overview of the IATA Living Labs run under the Federated Consortium. The Federated Consortium is an EU project for digital cooperation. Its aim is to deliver the foundations for a trustworthy and interoperable data sharing infrastructure for freight transport and logistics. Within this digital cooperation framework, IATA is currently focusing and representing the air freight sector. One Record has rapidly become a global data sharing standard, currently being tested around the world. As the map shows, currently 74 companies are trialing One Record, and this number keeps on growing on a weekly basis. Although developed by IATA, there are many types of stakeholders, not just airlines. We have customs agencies, airport authorities, ground handlers, freight forwarders, and of course shippers. The aim of the pilots is to test the different functionalities of the API, the security, and the data model. Let's look at two use cases in detail. The first one is being coordinated from London Heathrow Airport in the UK. Even though the pilot is coordinated from one country, the stakeholders are global thanks to technology. Each partner has a local data server that connects together in the UK. The Heathrow pilot initially started as a local initiative and subsequently grew by connecting global players into the pilot. This ecosystem functions as a centralized hub connecting the London and Hong Kong airports together. In more detail, the pilot looks at enhancing One Record features with new technologies and different channels. This is taking technology to the next level. Therefore, even if your system can't handle One Record just yet, you can still communicate with other stakeholders, thanks to the traditional messaging being upgraded. For the next use case, we will go to Qatar. The stakeholders are global, and although it may only seem there's 4 stakeholders, the idea behind this is economies of scale. If it can be deployed correctly and easily in one location, it can be simply copy-pasted to other locations. This ecosystem functions as a test of integrating 2 different One Record services together. Previously, Qatar Airways and Agility developed their service in separate pilots and are now connecting together to test interoperability and making sure that the security specifications work between 2 different types of stakeholders. But that's not all. We see that there are lots of actual benefits that can be achieved for all the stakeholders using One Record, but also in turn within the federated platform. Here we have a few, mainly data quality and control. This is very important because the data is shared by the owner and the owner has full control of the data, staying at its source. We also have more visibility and transparency as we have better exchanges of information and an audit trail, so we can see who changed what and when. And of course we have plug and play connectivity. It's very simple to connect and to actually expand on the data model and create your new applications. You can also create software as a service thanks to this standard. And of course, we're welcoming new generation with new technology. So the innovation doesn't stop once you achieve a certain level of benefits. It's also about continuous improvement. As we can see from all the use cases, each of them are different, yet similar, as they talk the same language thanks to the One Record API. Well, the pilot participants in this federated initiative take the data model, test it, give feedback to the data model task force, who then also provides input to the API and security task force, and then they take these new and updated specifications, give it back to the participants, who then further test it, and then provide further feedback, so hence continuous improvement. You want to know more? Why not visit our website on onerecord.iata.org and see. And we also have a hackathon page where you can see solutions in action. Thank you very much.